Career opportunities available to criminal justice degree graduates vary. It depends on what their level of interest is, whether they pursue additional training through state police organizations or federal organizations. Would basically be up to the student. While you're in the program, if that's the field that you really love, it's more than just going to class. It's reading the current events and what's happening in the criminal justice field, staying abreast of any changes in federal law that could affect the programs and the ability of police officers or criminal justice professionals to do their job correctly is something that the students should pursue as they're going through the program.
I think one of the biggest things that would help students is really to look at their local agencies. Ride-alongs are a big thing for students. Most police departments will allow a civilian ride-along, and then that allows that student to gain that practical knowledge. They could see what they're learning in the classroom applicable to the job.